Hey guys, I wanted to come on real quick. I'm not doing a tutorial, but for my Nailboo subscribers that follow me, last night I did my nails and I wanted to come on and show you the two colors. So I actually took the Magic Matcha and the Sunset Fog. I took these two colors and did my nails, and I think they look absolutely amazing. I will tell you that the Magic Maca, I had to do 3 coats of it. So it's still not super thick, but I had to do 3 coats because it is kind of light on my nail. So I did 3 coats of the color on this green, but I am absolutely in love. So to give you guys some options when it comes to your color choices, you know how we go to the nail salon and we're like, I want to get 2 nails with a design, so this is my design. Okay, so I did 3 nails with the Sunset Fog and then 2 with the Magic Maca, and I don't know if I'll ever take this off my nails. Like, I don't think I ever will. I think I will forever be wearing these 2 colors. Or I really didn't think I was going to like this because I don't do colors like this. But I think it's absolutely gorgeous. So I could even see me doing my entire hand in that color as well. So I just wanted to come on and give you guys an update because I know I showed them on the last video, but I wasn't doing my nails at the time. So now that I've done my nails, I wanted to come on and share that with you. For those of you that are seeing this video and seeing me for the first time, talking about, this is for the Nailboo dip powder where you can dip your nails at home. And these are my nails, so I'm not wearing any tips. And so there is a video, or several videos actually, on my channel that show you how to do the process using Nailboo. It's going to come with everything that you need. Now, of course, when you get the kit for the first time, it's only going to come with 1 color, okay? But you can get a larger kit that has multiple colors. I went with the kit that comes with 1 color, and it's like $50. But you could get like $10 off if you use my referral code that I'll put in the description. But I am in love with these 2 colors, mainly this one. I did not think I was going to like this one, but I think it is absolutely gorgeous because I thought it was going to be like a funky green. And even when you put them on the little nail tips that I showed you in the last video, sometimes the colors are still different on your nails. But as you guys can see, it is gorgeous. Like, I'm in love. Like, all I want to do is this. Like, well, yeah, I totally understand. I mean, I don't understand that, but I'm so silly. So anyway, I just wanted to jump on really quickly and show you guys my nails and show you those 2 colors that I use together. So get creative when you're using the Nailboo. Get creative when you're using the Nailboo and you know, play around with the different colors instead of doing your entire hand in 1 color. You know, do 2 contrasting light colors along with it, like that. But yeah, several videos on my channel to show you how to do the Nailboo dip application, the home dip. Yep. And it does grow your nails. And that's it. That's all I want to tell you is I'm in love. I'm in love with these. I still love Velvet Lust. I'm going to be honest. I still love Velvet Lust. So maybe I should have put that one on here too so I could, I don't know. I could, you know, I'm a girl. And you know how we girls do. We can never make up our minds. We're constantly, forever changing. Okay. So yeah. So there you go, guys. Magic Maca, Sunset Fog, 2 of my new colors. Definitely love this one because it's not like a sick looking green. I thought it was going to be like really bright and like that, but it is absolutely gorgeous. I will tell you again, it's going to take multiple colors or coats of it, unless you like the thin translucent kind of look, because it is translucent. If you only do 1, maybe 2 coats, but I did 3 coats. Okay, so anyway, that's it. I ain't got nothing else to say. All right, guys, thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I always get stuck on that word, tongue-tied. But thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And in reference to the Nailboo, I haven't given up on Nailboo just yet. I'm still using it. Okay, I'm still using it. And I don't need to order anything anytime soon, so I don't have to worry about that shipping. Okay, all right guys, thank you so much for subscribing. And if again this is your first time seeing me, then please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well, and join us to do your nails. Nailboo. Oh, I love these colors. I'm just gonna be doing like this. I ain't gonna be able to get no work done because I'm just be sitting up doing this all day, even when I'm not even talking. See? All right, guys. My motto is each one reach one so that each one can teach one. And you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.